What is going up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day so far. So we are trading live this morning. Not a whole lot going on with the market here, but ARCI is the only thing that looks intriguing, just because it's maintaining its pre-market highs. We have 3,000 shares ready to rock and roll. So this position should be about a like I was saying, $3,000, maybe a $3,200 position with a profit around 400 or 500 would be ideal. Setting stops at probably about $100. So risking 100 to make 5 is pretty good. But when this thing opens up, it's most likely it's either gonna just catch momentum and fire up, or it's just gonna lose all its volume and crash. I'm not sure yet. It's a little too soon to tell, but I'm ready to see this thing rip. Hopefully it does. All of my strategy guide and everything, something that I've been working on for the past 2 years. If you guys want that, I can always put it in the group chat. Just let me know. Yeah, alright, so about 30 seconds here to the bell. Let's see. Alrighty. I am ready. And we are so close to 80 subs. I'm grateful for it. So that's just I wanna do good today. I've been a little slacking on the videos, but I just want this one to be a good one. Alright, so we have a big dip down here. New support. Solid 90 here. 90 cents. It might have some trouble at the $1 mark, but that's expected because it's a whole dollar. The spreads on this thing are pretty wild, so you guys always got to be careful about this because it moves very fast. It's up 16% so far. Was up 30. Hopefully we can get another pop back up to 109. That would be key. But if it breaks over that 104 area, hopefully we can get some shares filled within here. Then we can see if it can push over those highs. So 104. Okay, let's see. Alright, we got filled at 105. 3,000 shares. Ooh, okay. See, this is what I'm talking about. The spreads are really big. So we're already down $90 here. So our stop's going to be most likely below that $1 mark. Yeah, so that'd be 5%. Okay, wow, look at that, man. Let's just hold off. Let's get 1,500 shares ready to rock. Wow, look at that thing go. Okay. Alright, so let's sell. Alright, so we still have another 1,500 share position. This is crazy. I was not expecting this. I was gradual. Let's see if we can get another pop back up to 125. We have $433.95 ready. Look at that volume pickup. Look at the bottom of the screen. Wow, 4, 5. Oh my God, look at this thing go. We sold too soon. Oh man, $540. That's easy. Look how much that thing went. That is crazy. Like these gap and go setups are just awesome. I just love it. Look at that. 3,000 shares. 62%. Let's just see what happens. See, now if you guys hopped in now, this would be way too late. This would be just called chasing right now. It's up 74% just like that. Just continue to hold off. Just wait. See, now this is when sellers start stepping in right now. So, I'm just going to sit and watch. Normally I would end the videos, but this is the teaching moment of why not to chase stocks. I highly doubt this thing will maintain it. But if it dies, the one thing about the stock market is you never know. Like, look at this thing get momentum. That was crazy. I was not expecting that. I was expecting to take profit at 115. Oh, that is awesome. That is just fantastic. Look at that. 150. That's freaking 68%. 70%. Oh my god. And this is why you trade stocks. Learn it, master the trade. Just do it. There's no other job that is this lucrative, and I only worked less than 3 minutes today. I mean more because I found the stock, and you guys know. But this right here is, considered chasing. Now this thing's gonna rip back down. I guarantee it. But I wouldn't be surprised if it got some more momentum. But see, this is why you always trade with volume. Look, so right there, that's all upward trend volume, and as you guys can see, when the volume leaves, that is what happens. Wow, that was fantastic. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video on me making $540 in 3 minutes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Remember to always stay happy and stay positive. Peace out and have a good night.